You did it. Well done. Congrats. You made it through 21 classes and you made it through the end of the course. Well done. I know that some of the classes were a little bit boring and challenging, but I'm so proud of you. You did stick to it till the end. So well done. Um, Despite the prevalence of graphical user interfaces nowadays, it is still very important for you as a computer scientist or programmer to have some knowledge of the command line. As you can see, it's a very efficient and fast way to perform many useful functions. So I hope you did learn some useful stuff in this course, and you did learn a bit more about how computer scientists and programmers think. And one of main takeaways I want you to take away from this is that as computer scientists and programmers, we are very lazy, and that's why we usually try to automate stuff. So don't think too much about the commands or anything else in computer science. Um, Try always to use the simpler route. Don't try to overthink or complicate things. If something is boring and tedious, more than likely there is someone out there who did think a solution about it already. And as you can see throughout this course, we went through a lot of repetition. We did type over and over again many commands. It can be boring, but repetition really is the best way to learn anything in computer science operating systems. So you know you did well. You did stick to it till the end. You went through the process, and that's really the best way to learn. So repetition is key. If you want to learn more and access free resources of computer science and computing, feel free to visit our website at demorobotics.com. We do have plenty of free resources there. It was a big pleasure to teach you this course. I hope it was useful and you did learn something new, and you can use this beginner's course and build up on top of it. Thank you very much, and feel free to check out our other computer science course. We have courses in Python, Java, and Django, among others. Thank you and happy learning. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.